So if you want to be left-handed or right-handed and be ambidextrous, basically with both your hands, this is the video for you. So basically, all you really want to do is actually start to use your other hand, which is for most people, it's your left hand, the hand that you don't really use, and just everyday tasks in life. So this is one of the tasks is brushing your teeth. So you see that I'm using both hands. I'm pretty familiar with it, only because I've been doing this for a couple months. But you're going to be, when you first use your left hand or right hand, depending on which one you are, when you use your opposite hand, you're not going to be really comfortable with it. But you got to stick with it and go through it. It's going to be uncomfortable, but it's not too bad. You just got to get used to that uncomfortable feeling. So yeah, that means when coming to peeing, use your, yeah, we're going to move on. That means even when you pay your money, no, use your left hand, not your right hand. Even when you watch, oh wait, I probably shouldn't add that in the video. Wait, what? Even if you're right-handed, you still use your left. Oh, okay, never mind. We're gonna edit that out. This is probably one of the most important ones is writing. So writing really is the most uncomfortable thing ever, and it's hard. So if you like writing like a notebook and you write like really small, it's a lot harder writing small than it is large because like you have to like have your hand steadiness and all that kind of stuff. So that you definitely do a lot of writing. Here's some other tasks just to just in your everyday life. The faucet, you put your stuff away. When you go and get a spoon or fork, and then when you go get the stuff out of the microwave, when you drink a cup of milk or whatever the hell you want to drink. So yeah, even when you eat, you want to eat with your left hand because you get used to it more. And trust me, you guys, you get used to it. So I'm honestly pouring syrup with my left hand. You can't forget about the syrup. Like, come on. And yeah, enjoy your meal. Use your left hand. Yeah, don't be afraid and dig in. Guys, joking all aside, being lefty or being righty, being both-handed, I say lefty only because most people are righty, but being both-handed, ambidextrous, whatever it's called, is a good thing because you can it's not just be like, I can use both hands, you can't. Well, it actually kind of is. No, I'm just kidding. It works different parts of your brain, which is pretty cool, so you're making different parts of your brain active, because they always say, if you're left-handed, you have some traits, if you're right-handed, you have some traits. If you can do both, if you're ambidextrous, if people are actually born using both, it's pretty cool because you use different parts of your brain. But you could train yourself to use your left hand. I've been doing that actually for a couple months, but you just gotta make the effort to do it. Everything you do, you gotta use your left hand. Especially when you write, it's gonna be really uncomfortable. If you're lefty, obviously use a righty. Most people are righties, so use a lefty. It's really uncomfortable writing with your other hand. Get used to it. Like the more you do it, the better you get. And like when you're first really uncomfortable, you gotta you're gonna be uncomfortable. Okay, it's gonna be really uncomfortable. You just gotta deal with it and keep doing it. It's not gonna take over a day unless you do it like maybe the whole day for like 12 hours. You probably get more used to it, but like just do a little each day. When you brush your teeth, you use the right hand. And say you're righty and you want to be left, then you try to use your left hand more. You brush your teeth, use your right hand. Just next time, use your left hand. It's gonna be like every single time, but just throw your left hand in there and you're used to it the more time you do it. Like I can write lefty. I'm righty originally, but I can write like lefty pretty decently well. I've been doing this for a couple months on and off. I used to do it like a year ago, and I stopped doing it. So kind of, if you stop doing it, like after a while, you're gonna lose it. And when you use your left hand again, or your right hand, or whatever hand you're not, it's gonna be like confusing, not confusing, but it's gonna be like uncomfortable. And you're like, I don't know how to do this, and then you're gonna want to give up. Like a lot of people are like, oh, it's not that hard. It really is hard because like, especially if you're on a time management skill and like it takes longer, it feels uncomfortable, and it's not what people don't like uncomfortable, and that's what it is. So, but if you keep doing it, you'll do it. It's not that hard. Uncomfortable, that's the worst part of it. It's the beginning when it feels uncomfortable, and you get more used to it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I think like even if you're in school, just take some notes. Use left-handed, or like just maybe if you're just drawing the side. That's one, and yeah, peace.